Hi, my name is Precious, and one of my bachelor's of science is in psychology. Today, we're going to talk about the science of attraction. What makes someone irresistible? Have you ever met someone who just seems so magnetic? Like they walk into a room and people are automatically drawn to them. But what is it that truly makes someone irresistible? Is it their looks? Is it their confidence? Or is it something deeper? Today, I will be diving into the psychology and neuroscience of attraction, and I'm also going to break down what makes someone so captivating. So let's get this video started. Attraction isn't just about looks, and yes, physical appearance does play a role into this, but psychology suggests that attraction is influenced by biology, perception, and behavior. Okay, so the first thing we're going to talk about is the biological factors. So, evolutionary psychology suggests that attraction is deeply rooted in survival and reproduction. People are often drawn to traits that signal good health, strong genetics, and reproductive fitness. This is why symmetrical faces, clear skin, and certain body proportions seems to be deemed as attractive universally. Also, hormones like dopamine and oxytocin plays a significant role in attraction. They influence bonding and pleasure. Testosterone and estrogen also influences perceived masculinity and femininity, which further shapes our attraction preferences. So research actually suggests that people prefer partners that have different genetic markers that their own to promote diversity in their offspring. Okay, so we just talked about the biological factors. Now let's take a deep dive into the psychological factors. Beyond biology, human attraction is heavily influenced by individual preference, emotional connection, and also personal experience. What we find or deem as attractive is based on our upbringing, our cultural influences, and our past relationships. So, attachment styles like secure, anxious, and avoidant influences how we perceive and seek attraction in others. Also, factors like shared values, their humor, or their intellectual capabilities plays a huge role in attraction as well. Okay, so now we talked about biological factors, psychological factors. Now let's talk about the social and environmental factors. Our social circle and our external environment shapes our attraction. Familiarity breeds liking, so that means the more exposure we have to someone, the more attractive we may slowly find them. Social proof also plays a role. So when someone is seen as valuable or attractive to others, it makes other people also attracted and see them as valuable. This is why status, reputation, and social validation can make someone seem more attractive. Also, we know that cultural norms and media platforms influence what we deem as attractive in different societies. Environmental factors like stress levels can also impact attraction. Studies actually show that when people are under stress, they are more drawn to partners that provide emotional security or emotional stability. Fun fact, studies actually show that personality, body language, and even the way someone smells plays a bigger impact than just someone's physical appearance alone. This is why some people might not fit the traditional beauty standards, but still have that strong, undeniable presence to them. Okay, so now let's talk about the key psychological factors that make someone irresistible. The first one is confidence is key. So the halo effect. When someone appears confident, our brain naturally assumes that that person has other desirable traits. So things like intelligence, success, charm, even though we may not know them. Self-confidence is not about arrogance. It's about self-assurance and self-comfort in your own skin. People who believe in themselves exude an energy that makes people naturally want to be drawn to them. The second one is the power of body language. Body language is so important when it comes to attraction. So let's talk about open versus closed posture. So example of open body language is an upright posture, relaxed arms, and eye contact. So this signals approachability. Closed body language, on the other hand, is things like crossed arms or just avoiding eye contact. It makes someone seem less inviting. Okay, so the third one is the scarcity principle. We want what we can't have. When something feels rare or exclusive, we naturally tend to value it more. Ever notice that some people are slightly more attractive because they seem unavailable? This just taps into the human tendency to want something that we cannot easily have. So the key is to balance being warm and engaging while still having your own life, your own priorities, and your own goals. People who have their own ambitions and their own pursuits tend to be seen as more attractive because they are perceived as independent and self-sufficient, which adds to their desirability. This principle is actually linked to intermittent reinforcement, which essentially just means that unpredictability in availability just makes someone seem more enticing. So for example, if someone is always available, they might be taken for granted, whereas occasional unavailability increases attraction. Okay, so now the fourth one, we're going to talk about the science of a genuine smile. The Duchenne smile, which is a real smile that engages the eyes, is scientifically proven to make someone more attractive. Smiling activates the reward system in other people's brains, which makes them feel good around you. A warm and authentic smile easily makes someone more approachable and appealing. There are studies that show that people who smile more are naturally perceived as trustworthy, competent, and kind. The next one, which is the fifth one, is the power of scent. Pheromones play a role in attraction. People are subconsciously drawn to natural scents that signal good genetics and compatibility. Scent is also linked to our memory and our emotions. So a pleasurable and distinctive scent can make someone seem so unforgettable. So here's how to apply everything to your own life. The first one is confidence. Confidence comes from within. So I want you to work on self-acceptance rather than seeking validation. The second one is body language. Pay attention to body language. Make eye contact, stand tall, be relaxed, and mirror people's body naturally. The third one is be genuinely interested in others. Try to ask questions, listen, and engage in the conversations. The fourth one is maintain a little mystery. So be present, but also have your own life, your own goals, your own missions that you're actively pursuing. And the fifth one is smell. Smell matters more than you think. Find a subtle and unique scent that fits you best. So attraction is not just about looks, it's about presence, energy, and the way someone carries themselves. Let me know what traits you think make someone more irresistible. That is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns, or let me know if there's anything you want me to further expand on. Bye.